Well, we're only at the biggest, supposedly the biggest car wash in Michigan, is what the guy said.
Tell him the 14.
I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out.
Look at the scrubber.
It's a stop ahead.
Tell him the 14.
Tell him the 14, Caleb says. So we'll tell him the 14.
Down.
Neutral!
14.
What's going on today?
Good.
14. Tell him 14.
Well, what's the best wash you got?
$14.
Okay.
Tell him the 14.
All right. We're going to tell you the 14.
Wait, did I get the window up?
Huh?
Did I get the window up?
Yeah. Well, he's got to bring us some change. Thank you.
Window up. Biggest car wash in Michigan.
The biggest car wash in Michigan. Right here, folks. Welcome to Plymouth Super Center Car Wash. The sad part to this whole story is that I'm driving a rental. Yeah, it's not even my car. My car is in the shop. So I'm washing this for the dealership, I guess. And of course, because we love car washes.
We're moving.
I say we, but Caleb happens to love car washes more than
Look!
anybody. Oh my.
Wheels. Sign says wheels.
Wheels?
Yeah.
Whoa, what was that? What are we getting? Pre-soap?
Look.
Are we getting pre-soap?
Not now. Look.
Whoa! Nice rinse. Whoa! What was that?
Colors.
Colors!
Yogurt.
Yogurt! Super shine! Look at that! Brushes!
Biggest car wash.
This is the largest car wash in the state of Michigan.
Ew.
Oh! Bird poop! No, man!
Look it.
Whoa!
Pew pew.
Phew! Man, that stuff smells!
Look at the biggest car.
Oh, wow! Wow! It is a long track. I will give it that much.
This rinse shine.
Tire shine.
What's tire shine?
I don't know. I imagine they're gonna put the stuff on the tires that makes them shine.
Can we do another one after this? Different one?
Oh, what are we in for now? Dryers? How many do they have? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 dryers. They got 8 dryers.
Can we do a different one after this one?
Look, you can look at your car. Look.
Can we do a different one after
You can
this?
look at it as you're rolling out.
It says come again. And thank you.
It says thank you.
And come again.
And come again.
Can you do a different one?
Oh my. That was something. That was really special. The biggest car wash in Michigan. Right here in Plymouth, Michigan. 400 Ann Arbor Road.